if you love sitting in your garden and listening to the birds, you should get this because your birds will love you for it. This is a packet of 10 super sweet coconut halves with cereals, seeds and mealworm, and you would get 10 individually packed coconut halves in here. They are 320 grams each, so quite a nice size. There's a little bit of information on the box, but what I absolutely love about these, not only that they are individually packed, but also there is a little kind of hook, little rope attached to the coconut halves, so you literally can hang this up anywhere in the garden, and you can just, give your birds a little bit of extra food without all the fuss. As you can see, I managed to get this little guy on camera. He's absolutely loving this. So if you're looking for a great quality bird food and feeder, kind of a 2-in-1, we can't recommend this enough. We absolutely love this. It's a big thumbs up from us.